Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are here, another new video. Today I will discuss about world's most charming waterfalls. I hope you like the video. Must subscribe to the channel to get more beautiful videos like this. And if you like the video, give a like and comment. So let's start the video. Number 25. Angel Falls, Venezuela. The world's highest uninterrupted waterfall. Angel Falls plunges 3,212 feet, 979 meters from the Enchanting Plateau in Canamia National Park. Its creators is a mesmerizing display as water tumbles down in a single uninterrupted drop. Number 24. Niagara Falls, Canada, USA. One of the most iconic waterfalls, Niagara Falls consists of three falls: Horseshoe Falls, American Falls, and Bridalveil Falls. Straddling the border between Canada and United States, the sheer volume and power of the water create spectacle that leaves visitors in awe. Number 23. Iguazu Falls, Argentina, Brazil. Nestled within a lush rainforest, the Iguazu Falls are a series of 2,775 cascades that stretch nearly 2 miles, 3.2 kilometers. The highlight is the Devil's Shot, where a U-shaped cascade drops dramatically into a misty abyss. Number 22. Victoria Falls, Zimbabwe. Often called the smoke that thunders, Victoria Falls span more than a mile, 1.7 kilometers, across the Zimbabwe River. The spray created by its plummeting waters can be seen from miles away. Number 21. Waterfalls Falls, Guyana. Hidden within the remote Amazon rainforest, Waterfalls boasts the largest single drop by volume in the world, plummeting from a height of 741 feet, 226 meters. It's a sight of pristine natural beauty. Number 20. Gold Coast, Iceland. Translating to Golden Falls, Gold Coast is a two-tiered waterfall in the Habito River. The glacial water flows dramatically into a rugged canyon, creating an awe-inspiring scenes. Number 19. Plunges Falls, Croatia. Part of the Plunges Lakes National Park, these falls comprise a series of intricate lakes and waterfalls that cascade through lush greenery, showcasing the unique crest landscape. Number 18. Havasu Falls, USA. Found within the Grand Canyon, Havasu Falls boasts turquoise waters that contrast beautifully against the rust-colored rocks. Its isolated location adds to its allure. Number 17. Guangxi Falls, Laos. These multi-tiered falls are known for their stunning turquoise waterways collect in pools surrounded by lush tropical vegetation. It's a popular swimming spot for visitors. Number 16. Dettifoss, Iceland, located in a Bentazakal National Park. Deticos is Europe's most powerful waterfall. The sheer force and grandeur of the water as it cascades over the basalt cliffs are truly impressive. Number 15. Switzerland Falls, New Zealand. Nestled within the Fiordland National Park, Switzerland Falls boasts a series of cascades that tumble 1,904 feet, 580 meters down the mountainside. The surrounding features and forests enhance its beauty. Number 14. Yosemite Falls, USA. A highlight of Yosemite National Park, Yosemite Falls consists of three separate tiers. The upper falls drops 1,430 feet, 436 meters, making it one of the North America's 10 tallest waterfalls. Number 13. Rhine Falls, Switzerland. Europe's largest waterfall, Rhine Falls is a wide curtain of water cascading over 75 foot, 23 meters drop. The surrounding Swiss countryside adds to its picturesque setting. Number 12. Snoqualmie Falls, USA. Located in Washington State, Snoqualmie Falls is a two-tiered waterfall that plunges 268 feet, 82 meters into a misty fall below. Its accessibility makes it a popular destination. Number 11. Gozo Azure Window Malta formerly Cho is the iconic rock formation has collapsed into the sea. It was once a stunning rooftop for the Azure Windows cascading waters. The area still has natural beauty. Number 10. Ben Geo's Distance Falls, Vietnam, China. Straddling the borders between these two countries, these twin falls are surrounded by lush vegetation and crest mountains, creating a scene and beautiful atmosphere. Number 9. Tugela Falls, South Africa. The world's second tallest waterfall, Tugela Falls, descends around 3,110 feet, 948 meters, in 5 free-leaping segments within the Drakensberg Mountains. Number 8. Jog Falls, India. Created by the Sharabati River, Jog Falls drops around 830 feet, 253 meters in a single pulse. The lush western Ghats backdrop enhance its scene's beauty. Number 7. Iran Falls, Thailand. A 7-tiered cascade through emerald green pools, Iran Falls is named after the three-headed with elephant in Hindu mythology. The tropical jungle surroundings create a paradise-like setting. Number 6. Seljalands Falls, Iceland. Unique for allowing visitors to walk behind the curtain of water. Seljalands Falls drops 200 feet, 60 meters, and is illuminated by the northern lights during winter. Number 5. Skylon Tower, Russia. The largest and most famous waterfalls in Karkar National Park. Skradensky book consists of a series of cascades surrounded by the lush flora, making it a natural oasis. Number 4. Number 4. Kanphapak Falls, Laos. Often called the Niagara of the East, these falls are the largest by volume in Southeast Asia. They are found on the Mekong River and showcase the power of water. Number 3. Wallaman Falls, Australia. Australia's tallest single drop waterfalls, Wallaman Falls, cascades 879 feet, 268 meters down a sheer rocks face surrounded by tropical rainforest. Number 2. Garbanine Falls, France, nestled in the Apennines. Garbanine Falls is Europe's tallest waterfall. Its elegance, narrow floor drops from a height of 1,385 feet, 422 meters. Number 1. Nokhlai Khai Falls, India. Plugging from a height of 1,150 feet, 340 meters, Nokhlai Khai Falls is surrounded by lush forests in striking rock formations, creating a picturesque scene in northeast India. Thank you for watching our video. If you like the video, please like and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to channel to get more beautiful videos. Thanks again for being with us.